My colleague Shivani is now joining me from Dras in Kargil. Shivani, Indian defense capabilities, they have improved leaps and bounds. Technology at its finest is now being used by the Indian Army.
Aishwarya, I'm right now at Dras at the Kargil War Memorial, and there are some times when you're not able to express, you are short of words, and that's the feeling which I'm getting right now when we remember the battle that was fought 26 years back, the unimaginable battle, most challenging terrain. I'll show you. This is the Kargil War Memorial, where a commemoration event has been planned, where the Chief of Army Staff will also be present, and he'll be speaking for the first time after Operation Sindoor. A lot to look forward. And yes, you are exactly right that we have come a long way in last 26 years from Operation Vijay to Operation Sindoor. The message has been very stern and strong from India that we are not going to sit back, we are going to hit you very hard. And here, let me tell you that while we were here, we were seeing the alert on ground because, the Operation Sindoor is still going on. It's not over yet, Aishwarya. So there is a heightened alert within the troops from the Jammu and Kashmir to Ladakh, all those northern borders. They are still having a sense that we are amid an operation. And in this operation, we are also commemorating and celebrating 26 years of Operation Vijay, but a very strong message that we have transformed. We have now new generation weapon systems, Aishwarya. We have an offensive posturing now. We are no more a defensive army, and we are a synergy of forces. Army, Navy, Air Force, all the forces are together in this operation. And here at Kargil, there will be a lot of events, the commemoration event where the next of kins of those martyrs, more than 545 soldiers who lost their lives, they will be felicitated, they will be honored, and all those stories will be remembered of those courage and valor, Aishwarya, because technology has changed. We've come a long way in terms of our warfare techniques, but the resilience, the bravery of our soldiers is just the same. That if you come and look at us, we are going to hit you hard and bow you down. So that's the sense of ground in Kargil. Aishwarya, I'll just take a minute to show you the terrain out here to give a sense of this war. All these features that range from 16,000 to 18,000 feet, from Tololing to Tiger Hill, the Batra Top. These were the unimaginable heights where Pakistan had captured them, and our soldiers not only climbed these heights on foot, carrying those weapon systems in the most difficult situation when they were being countered and challenged by Pakistan with those guns and weapons, but they went up to those heights, they scaled those heights, they recaptured those bunkers, they lost their life, but still all the spirit of serving the nation, keeping the nation safe, keeps our Indian Army strong, and that's why we see this tricolor standing high here at Kargil War Memorial. So this is the day when we remember our war heroes and pay our respects to them, because of them we are standing here and witnessing this sense of our strength. Aishwarya.
Thank you, Shivani, giving us all those details. My colleague joining us from Dras in Kargil. It's been 26 years. Indian defense capabilities have only grown stronger from there.